Good morning, guys. Yeah, I already cut my hair last night, and this is how it is. It is already 5 minutes to 8 o'clock, and we are going out. And after an hour of driving, we are now here in Glenrock State Conservation Area. Yeah, we are here because I am going to ride the bike. As you can see, I have my bike. Yeah, but I parked it the wrong way. So I'm waiting for the other cars to move, and then I'll find the way. I don't want to park on this one. It's too close to the entry. Okay, I was able to put it down. Going to put it back. It is really nice. I still not removing this, but I am hungry now, so I am going to eat first. The problem is I forgot the spoon and fork. So I'm going to eat with my hand. I actually bring this. Yeah, the beef rendang that I cooked yesterday. And I have some leftover rice here. Look at this beef rendang. It's cold. Yeah, cold. I also have this, the meatloaf, leftover from 2 nights ago. Yeah, 2 nights ago. Actually, this rice I cooked it 2 nights ago. And because it is cold, it is a beef rendang and rice salad. I finished the rice. Wash it later. Yeah, we are leaving the car park and we'll be riding the bike. The name of this area is Glenrock State Conservation Area. This is in the middle of different suburbs of Newcastle. I actually been here before, but the way that I took was the walking area, the walking trail. But this time we're going to take the bike trail. Whoa, scary. I don't want to go home with this scratch on my body, on my hand. Yeah, that road is like a dirt road, and a lot of tiny rocks that makes it like a slippery, you know, like it is dangerous. But I think it's good to drive very fast over there. I'm just not sure because my bike is not properly taken care of, so I was scared that maybe something is already loose and will be dangerous if I drive past. We are here in the river. Yeah, this is a river actually if you look at that, but it's cemented. I think it's natural cemented. I remember last time that I used to walk coming from the other side. Yeah, I crossed this creek and there was no water during the time. Yeah, last summer there was no water. You know, I miss this sunglass. In case you don't know, this is a music sunglass. From Bose. Yeah, sounds really good. And this is what I am talking about. Yeah, this is what I am talking about. I thought I'm already safe. So basically, I was able to get up here. Yeah, I was already here. And suddenly, it is stopped. And then slowly getting down here. Yeah, until I pulled down. Yeah. Situation not so wrong. But now it's away. I don't get hurt. Yeah, but falling is not a good feeling. Falling in love, I think it's a good feeling, especially if they love you back. And where is this place? There is a road here. And if I'm not mistaken, that those cars, they are a surfer. Yeah, just look at that. How can you simply get down there on the bike? From here I can actually hear the sound of the water, the waves. I can see the water from here. Yeah, I can see the sea. But I don't know if there's a proper or actual like viewing area. This is going down. This is really a difficult bike trail. I thought I will be able to bike relaxed and easy, but yeah, I can't record a video because the way is like that. It's not even, it's small, going down. Yeah, but a place like this is very good for the adventurer, for the real mountain bikers. Yeah, look in here. I can see the beach. Can you imagine? I was coming from inside there. Yeah, you don't really notice where is the way where I came from, but yeah, I was able to get through here. And this is the beach. Actually, there are people around here, and I have no plan of going back here because when I check the Google map, there is actually a car park on that side, and so I will go there. Look how much struggle I'm doing now. Yeah, I need to climb up this stairway going to the car park. Yeah, I can do it. Okay, we are up here. I lip it. Yeah, and we are now here in the car park. And there's actually a viewing area here of the name of the place is Dudley Beach. We are now going back to the car. I don't know how far are we still. This road is uphill, but yeah, the bike can manage because it's electric bike. Yeah, coming from down there, we are now here in the residential area. Yeah, it's a highway, not a highway but a main road. And we are back here in the car park. And this new car with the bike at the back just arrived. Sac State Conservation Area. Yeah, we're now looking for a campground to stay for tonight. Still early, the time is 2:12. But yeah, also the internet connection on that area is very slow. Actually, from the house, very slow. I was uploading a video from this morning, and until now, very slow. And we are now here in Swansea. Yeah, here in Lake Macquarie area. And yeah, I'm just going to buy a rice. Yeah, this one, jasmine rice. Yeah, this $14. I bought a wooden cutlery. Yo, and yeah, we are now here in the camping ground. I just arrived. Yeah, I stay in front of the beach, just sleeping, doing some computer works. Yeah, now I am here in the camping ground. It is already dark outside, and I will show it to you tomorrow. This is the rice that I bought from Coles. The bike is outside, and the table. This is what I'm going to eat. It is cold. Yeah, coming from the fridge. I have this tube, but I don't want to reheat it. It's going to be a lot of work if I reheat it. Look at the rice, exactly full. I should check first. I actually have this disposable no, from KFC. This is very small. It's okay that I have this one. This wooden fork, knife, spoon. Yeah, this beef rendang. This is probably my breakfast tomorrow. Look at the color, it's very yellow green.